Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to charge your JBL Tune Beam earbuds and check your battery level. So at the bottom of your case you can find your charging port. Plug in the cable that comes with the earbuds and insert it into the charging port. Now insert a USB port to any charger or power bank. Usually you see charging has started. Usually charging takes about 2 hours to charge. So the earbuds last up to 12 hours on a single charge, and with a case up to 48 hours. If you need a quick charge, 15 minutes will give you 4 hours of playback. Now, to check how much the battery is left, open your JBL headphones app. Here you can see the battery level on both the headphones and the case. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.